All right, here's another tool we're going to use to inspect all hundreds and fifties. This is a UV light machine. Every single bill made after 1990, except for $1 bills, they all have a UV signifier on them, little light that goes down. It only pops up under UV light. Under regular light, obviously you can't see it. But for example, this isn't end all be all, and I'll show you why later. But this is one thing we can do to first of all make sure that it's not a fake right off the bat. And again, every one of these has one. And mind you, every bill has a line in a different section. That's why this explains here. This shows you what the line would be on a 20. This shows you what it would be on an old $5 bill, that blue one. Red is for hundreds. Yellow is 50s. $5 bills is or blue is again a $5 bill, and 10 is like orange. So I'm gonna keep showing you. This is a 10. And by the way, if you have the bill facing you and you move it all the way to the end of this grid, it should line up with where this tells you that the line should be. And as you can already see, some of the lines are more visible than others. Like the reds and oranges aren't nearly as visible as the yellows and the greens. See how kind of faint that is? I mean, when you go through training, you'll be able to see this with your naked eye, but this gives you an idea of what you're looking for. Again, this isn't end all be all, because let me show you some fake bills. You'll still find these on fake bills. This is a fake 100. Notice how it still has that line. Honestly, it's the wrong color. But this is to show you, this is just one tool that we use. So for example, one other thing. Notice how it doesn't have you can barely, I can't even see a face in there. There's supposed to be a face in there. This machine will help us kind of look for all the things that we need whenever we're making sure it's a real bill. You'll obviously get fast at this over time, but check it out. Look at this 50. Right off the bat, you can see it's not even the right paper, which is why it glows a weird fucking color. So this is very obviously fake. Here's a fake 20. Check it out. You can tell they printed this fake 20 on an old $5 bill. It's not even supposed to be, it's supposed to be green. See that? It's not even the right color. Here's another fake 100. These are all fakes, by the way, these last four. So this fake 100 still has that faint line. But again, face sucks, or it looks kind of weird. And one thing when it comes to hundreds, this is a big one. The shirt is always ribbed. Like if you run your nail across the shirt, you'll feel it's like scratchy. That includes these ones too. It's one of the biggest giveaways. If you work at jabs though, one other thing I always want you to do, if it's passing all, if you see a line, okay good, that's a good sign, run it through this. That's the real one. If it's a fake one, it'll give you a B. That's how you know it's a fake one for sure. This thing is pretty much always right. Sometimes it'll give you a, not always, sometimes it'll be a false alarm. Run it a few times. But yeah, this is the procedure I want you guys to do, because if you end up catching a fake and you don't go through these steps, then that fake bill is going to be part of your paycheck, and then you can figure out where to spend it.